Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best LG TV remote is probably one of the most essential accessories for your television, ensuring seamless control and access to all your favorite features without the hassle of navigating complex menus. Imagine effortlessly switching channels, adjusting volume, or launching streaming apps with just a click, enhancing your overall viewing experience and bringing convenience right to your fingertips. This guide will help you find the perfect replacement that not only functions flawlessly but also complements your existing setup, making your interaction with your LG TV more intuitive and enjoyable than ever before. Number 5. LG Smart TV Remote Control Replacement. Introducing the universal replacement remote for your LG Smart TV. It's designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of LG TV models, including OLED, 4K, and 3D. This remote is compatible with numerous LG remote control part numbers, ensuring a perfect fit for your existing setup. No need to search for specific models. Experience lightning-fast response times with our upgraded smart chips. It offers precise control from up to 40 feet away, with a response time under 0.2 seconds. Getting started is simple. Just insert the included batteries, and it's ready to go. No complicated programming or setup is required. We've focused on ensuring broad compatibility and reliable performance. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with our dedicated after-sales service for any questions you may have. What we like. This remote offers extensive compatibility with a vast range of LG TV models. It boasts a rapid response time, ensuring your commands are executed instantly. If you're looking for a hassle-free setup and don't want to worry about purchasing batteries separately, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. The remote works perfectly with my LG TV, no setup required. All the buttons are responsive and well-placed, making it easy to navigate. It has all the original functions, including voice control and smart buttons. Number 4. Rimous Remote for LG TV. This remote is designed to work with all LG smart TVs from 2010 to 2024, including OLED, 4K UHD, and WebOS models. It's a perfect replacement for a wide range of LG remote part numbers. Forget buying batteries separately. This remote comes with premium batteries pre-installed, saving you money and time right out of the box. Never lose your remote again. It includes a special holder designed to reduce the risk of misplacing it, keeping it easily accessible. Instantly access your favorite streaming services like Netflix and Prime Video with dedicated buttons. It makes navigating to your content quicker and easier. Featuring a new smart chip, it offers improved functionality with a longer transmission range and responsive buttons. It's the ideal replacement or backup for your original remote. What we like. This option is designed to work with virtually all LG Smart TV models from 2010 to 2024. It conveniently includes batteries, saving you time and money. If you frequently misplace your remote or want a dedicated spot for it, the included anti-loss holder makes this a standout pick. What people say. No programming needed. Came with batteries separately, so just insert batteries point to the TV and it was ready to go. Perfect. I needed a new control, works perfectly with my LG TV. I was so happy with this remote. I got this one for a lot less money, and I put batteries in and bam, it worked right off the bat. So easy to set up and easy to use. Number 3. LG Smart TV Remote Control. Introducing a high-grade remote control designed for all LG Smart TV models. It's perfect for your LG LCD, LED, HD TV, and 3D Smart TVs. This remote is compatible with a wide range of LG TV models, including those with part numbers like AKB750953007 and AKB744754001. It's designed to work seamlessly with your existing LG Smart Universal controls. Experience farther transmitting distance and stable performance with this replacement remote. It covers all the functions of your original remote, making it easy to control your TV. Its small and compact size makes it comfortable to grip and less likely to slip. This design ensures ease of use for everyone in the family. Getting started is incredibly simple. No programming or setup is required, just insert batteries and it works right away. This remote is designed for straightforward operation. It's the perfect solution for replacing a damaged or old remote control without any hassle. Please note that this item is sold without batteries. You will need to purchase two AAA batteries separately to operate the remote. What we like. This remote features a small, compact size that's easy to hold and less likely to slip. It requires no programming, making it incredibly simple to use right out of the box. If you prefer a no-fuss, straightforward replacement that feels comfortable in your hand, this is a great option. What people say. It also works right out of the box. I have had zero compatibility issues. In fact, they are just like the original remote. I literally took it out of the package, put the batteries in, and it worked immediately with my Hisense TV without any programming required. The buttons feel great and everything functions exactly like the original remote that came with the TV. The programming is super easy and pairs fast. It's very comfortable to hold and the buttons are way more responsive than the previous two. Replacing the original, it stands out and it's got a very reasonable price. Number 2. LG Smart TV Replacement Remote Control AKB750955307. Introducing the ultimate replacement remote for your LG Smart TV. It's designed to work seamlessly with all your LG TV models, including LED, OLED, UHD, and more. Get started right away. This remote works straight out of the box with no complicated settings required. Just insert two AAA batteries and it's ready to control your TV. Experience lightning-fast response times, under 0.2 seconds, with soft touch, anti-dust silicone buttons. It's built to last, supporting over 150,000 clicks. Enjoy accurate control from up to 10 meters, 33 feet, away. Its strong infrared signal ensures multi-angle induction for precise commands. Crafted from durable, recyclable ABS material, this remote is eco-friendly and safe for your health. It's built for longevity and environmental consciousness. We stand by our product with a 45-day return service and prompt customer support. Contact us with any questions, and we'll respond within 12 hours. What we like. Experience precise control from up to 10 meters away with its strong infrared signal. Constructed from durable, eco-friendly ABS material, it's built to last and is safe for your health. If you need a reliable remote with a long transmission range and appreciate sustainable materials, consider this one. What people say. This remote is a perfect replacement for the original LG TV remote. All the buttons work exactly as they should, and it was easy to set up. Number 1. LG Smart TV Universal Remote Replacement. Introducing a universal replacement remote designed specifically for all LG Smart TV models. It's the perfect solution for lost or broken remotes. This remote is compatible with every LG Smart TV, including LCD, LED, HD TV, and 3D models. You can be sure it will work with your specific TV. Forget complicated setup processes. This remote requires no programming or pairing. Simply insert new AAA batteries, and it's ready to go. It seamlessly replaces your old or damaged remote, offering all the functions you're used to. Enjoy full control of your television again. This is a brand new, high-grade remote control. You can trust in its quality and reliability for everyday use. Your package will contain one infrared remote control. Please note that batteries and instructions are not included. What we like. This replacement is designed to work seamlessly with all LG Smart TV models, covering all original functions without any need for programming. Simply insert batteries and it's ready to go. If you need a universal solution that perfectly mimics your old remote's functionality, this is the one to get. What people say. It works perfectly with my LG TV. The remote control is a direct replacement and functions exactly like the original. All the buttons are responsive and easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.